I'm excited for this one. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a brand new iPad mini to unbox. Now, if you're a longtime viewer of the channel, you would know that I actually asked for this back during Christmas time. But finally, I convinced my dad to get it. So today, I'm taking you with me to unbox the new iPad. So, let's get into it. So this is the Space Gray A17 iPad mini with 256 gigabytes of storage. And we also got the Apple Pencil Pro. So let's first open that up. So here we have the beautiful Apple Pencil Pro. Here is the side, here is the back. This is Apple Pencil Pro, so let's go ahead and let's just open it up. Let's go ahead and let's get that nice, satisfying pull tab. Very, very satisfying. Let's see if we can pull this forward. Yes, we can. Perfect. And then here we have designed by Apple in California, of course. And inside of here we have Pencil Pro with additional instructions and other manuals. And then here. And here is the beautiful Apple Pencil Pro, perfectly in the box. And actually, we have a little piece of protection. We got this, I believe this is like maybe $10, possibly cheaper off of Amazon. And it's just a little cover for the Apple Pencil Pro. So here we put this on. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to do it. So just keep pushing this through. Now, the only thing I wonder is how do I get the little top piece on? I think I just kind of gotta stretch it over. Perfect. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just a little thin layer of protection for this pencil. Yet it's barely noticeable. Let's see how noticeable it is on the iPad, though. But first, we gotta unbox that. Now, we've got the main course. The iPad Mini 7. So let's start with the top one. Satisfying. Get that, and then so satisfying. Top and here she is. That's so nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright. Let's put this right here. And then of course there is also the charger and charging cable. But then let's go ahead and look at what is in here. So we have the same iPad mini manual. Let's get that open, and it just shows you really how to use these kind of things. Do we get Apple stickers? I don't think we do. No, we do not. That is sad. Rest in peace, Apple stickers, guys. Alright, so now let's go ahead and pull this off. So we should probably pull it this way. Oh. Yeah, That's awesome. These sides. Let's carefully grab our device and then put that right there. And wow, this thing is really, really nice there. There's reflection high. We've got our camera on the side. I believe that is 12 megapixels. We've got our USB-C charging at the bottom, as well as speakers and microphones. Does this have a speaker right here? I don't believe it does. No, it does not. But it's got a pretty crazy speaker system down here. So that's a bonus. Oh, yeah, the speakers are here. So it's on both sides. And then power buttons right here. So I guess what we have to do is just, well, turn it on. Wow. It's beautiful. It looks better in person, okay? It's a little dingy on camera. Maybe we can get to focus like that though. Ah, and here we go. Let's go. The beautiful hello screen. Now, you may be wondering why I didn't just wait to get the supposed OLED one that's speculated to come out in the fall. But the truth is, I'm impatient, and I just slapped one of those like matte screen protectors on it anyway. And I like lining up the release dates to my devices, so this would continue that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and thanks for the support. I'm excited to make content with this thing, and I can't wait to learn new things that I might not even know yet. But that's all for today. If you like this video, consider giving it a like, and subscribe if you like me. Anyways, see ya.